In this video, I will show you how to edit YouTube videos using free AI tools in less than 5 minutes. So hello people, I am Vishwa and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it. So without further delay, let's start with the video. I have already opened the website which we are going to use to edit our YouTube video. So the website is Wisecut. I have already provided the link in the description, so you just click on that link and you will be taken to the Wisecut website. To use it freely, you need to sign up. For that, you can see the option of sign up. Just click on that and you will be asked to create the account. So fill all the details and just create your account. After creating the account, you just need to put all the credentials and sign in. Okay, after signing in, you can see screen like this. So this is the simple process which we usually do. So I am on the home screen and you can see one video because I edited one video. Because of that, in your case it will be blank. So you just click on new project. Okay, in the home tab, just click on new project. Okay, here you can see upload and create. It is asking us to upload the file. So just click here to browse for files. Okay, here you can see the maximum size for the single file is 1 GB. So 1 GB single file we can upload. Just click here to browse for files. Okay, and select your video which you want to edit. So I'm just selecting, I just want to edit this video. Okay, I added, and here you can see I'm just uploading this, upload one file, and it is uploaded now. Okay, if you want to add more, so you can just click on this add media to add more, otherwise just click on next. Now give here a project name. I'm just giving name new project and asking spoken language in the video, so it's English, so I'll just select the English, and these are all things it going to do. These are okay, and below you can see different things: smooth cuts, auto cut, silences, smart background music, auto duck, auto punch in, punch out, background noise cancelling, burn in captions. So these are all things this tool going to do with our video. And just click on create project. Okay, if you don't know about all these things, so you can just click on this I button to know about what is that exactly, and just click on create project. Okay, now it's saying it's in our hands now. Wisecut is working on your project, and once it's ready we will notify you by email. So you'll get email once it's ready. But if you want to see the progress, you can just go to the home page, and this is our latest project. Just click on open, and here you can see Wisecut is working on our project. So it takes some time, depends on the size of the project. So if the size is like less, so it can be done quickly, otherwise it can take hour, more than hour as well, depending on the size of the project. So I'll just pause the video until it is completed. You can see our video is ready. So your video is looking quite engaging. So what are the things Wisecut did with our video? You can see listed here. 25 seconds of awkward silence removed, 1 jump cuts created, 11 lines of subtitles created, music that perfectly fits your video, audio enhanced with professional editing techniques, smart close-up created, and auto punch-ins. So these all things did. But before showing this video, okay, I'll just show you the actual video, what was the video before, so you will be able to compare properly. So I'll just go to downloads. I'll just show you my actual video first. So this was the video before. So if you want to generate this kind of image, so I have provided the prompt in the description, so you can just copy paste that prompt in the Midjourney tool and you will get this kind of output. So all tools link I have provided in the description, so you can go there and check. Video is not good, there is a background noise, okay, the noise is not that good, there are many pauses and silence. So let's see whether Wisecut is able to eliminate this or not. Okay, now let's see the result. So this is our result, and I showed you what are the things Wisecut did with our video. Now let's see. So if you want to generate this kind of image, so I have provided the prompt in the description, so you can just copy paste that prompt in the Midjourney tool and you will get this kind of output. So all tools link I have provided in the description, so you can go there and check. Okay, so hope you noticed that. So what are all pauses were there in the video are no more here, and in the starting as well, there was a OBS screen, so that is also eliminated. They added song as well and make my voice better. So isn't it amazing? So if you are a beginner, okay, or you want to start putting videos on YouTube, okay, so and you don't know about the video editing, so this tool is best for you, as this tool provides 30 minutes free editing of the video. So if you put 3-4 minutes of video, so you will be able to edit like around 10 to 15 videos based on the duration of your video, and you don't need to learn the editing as well. Okay, means you can just start putting the videos and simultaneously you can learn the editing as well. So here like we saw the video, but we also have the option to edit. If you want to change something, so we can do by our own. So this is the editing section. You can see here, okay, storyboard, translation, music, settings, preview and export. Okay, firstly we will see storyboard. Okay, so here you can see hide, remove scenes. After that, drag to reorder, selects scenes for the short video. So here you can see like in the starting 4 second clip is removed. After that again 5 seconds. Okay, so if you want to hide this removed thing, so you can just enable this, okay, and that will be hidden. And if you want to reorder, so you can just reorder, just enable this and you can just reorder. If you want to select the clips, okay, some of the clips, and using that if you want to make the another video, so you can do that as well. Also here you can see the plus icon here, so if you just click on that plus icon, so we can just upload more media if we want to add, if you want to add in between, so we can do that. After that, this is the play the scene. After that, trims scene, so if you want to trim, so we can use this. After that, this is the change scene value, so if you want to change the value, so we can change like medium, high, full based on our need. After that, if you want to duplicate, so we can duplicate. Then after that, if you want to configure scene framing, so we can do that as well. Then change scene type, if you want to change intro, default, outro, so we can do that as well. After that, add overlay scene, so we can add, if you want to add the overlay scene. Okay, edit subtitles. Okay, so whatever is written here, or whatever the things are here, if you want to edit the subtitles, so we can just click on that pencil icon and we can change here. Then here you can see this enable scene splitting. Okay, so like I just clicked on that scissors icon and here you can see scissor. So if I want to split this scene in two scenes, okay, so if I just click on this first scissors, it will be break in 2 scenes. You can see like this is a scene 2 and scene 3. And after that, if you want to delete the particular scene, so we can just click on this remove scene icon. Okay, and this is the removed one. If you want to get it back, so we can just click on this restore scene. So this was related to the editing, extra editing. After that, translation. So if you want the translation in different languages, different foreign languages, so we can just do that as well. Okay, let's say Spanish. Okay, and I'll say translate. So we will get this transcript file in this language. When we will export it, so we will get the transcript file in that language as well. After that, if you want to change the music, so we can do that as well. After that, here is the setting. Okay, if you want to add in a burn in caption, so you can enable that. Okay, enhancer, so I'll just add all these things. Footage, audio, I don't want to mute, I want to add burn in captions, so I can do all these things. After that, preview and export. Now like I just made some changes now, so it's asking like some changes were not previewed. If you want to see the these changes before exporting, please click on render now. So I'll just render, so that whatever changes I made just, so that should be applied to the my video. And you can see now it's again working on the clip. So I will just fast forward this process. I'll just click on edit project. Okay, now preview, export, we saw all these things. Now preview and export. So before exporting, let's watch the video once. So if you want to generate this kind of image, so I have provided the prompt in the description, so you can just copy paste that prompt in the Midjourney tool. And so you can see that like before I did not add the subtitles, I did not enable that button, but now later I enabled, and now after the like processing again, we can see the subtitles as well. Okay, now everything is done. Export in full HD. Okay, so here so I'll just export in English. Okay, original size, audio, what will be included, audio and video, and burn in captions. Okay, so I'll just export now. Export video. Okay, now it exported successfully. So we will just we will see the final output. So if you want to generate this kind of image, so I have provided. So if you want to generate this kind of image, so I have provided the prompt in the description. So you can just copy paste that prompt in the Midjourney tool, and you will get this kind of output. So all tools link I have provided in the description, so you can go there and check. Okay, so like you can see how beautifully quickly we edited the video with the help of this AI tool. But one thing you notice, you can see the logo of the Wisecut on the top right. If you want to remove this logo, so you can do that, because if you are going to post it on the YouTube, so it doesn't look good. Okay, so for this purpose I have already uploaded one video on how to remove the logo using AI tool. To remove logo, check the video which is popping up in I button, or check the descriptions of this video. Click on left video if you want to remove Wisecut tool logo from your video, or click on right video to learn how to create deepfakes free of cost. Do like and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful.